Hey guys, today I have a special video for you. You ever wonder what to do with leftover okra? Well, I'm going to tell you today. So I had some leftover okra that I didn't know what to do with. And I said, you know what, let me do a stir fry. So I'm sure I'm not the only person that wonders what to do with okra. So in this pan, I started with sauteing some garlic, some scallions, and some ginger. Once that was fragrant and ready, I added some mushrooms, the okra, and some onions. And you know what? After that, it is totally ready for some broccoli, okay? So I'm adding broccoli. I'm adding a lot of broccoli. You don't have to add this amount. I just overdo it all the time. But anyway, I added some broccoli, and we're just gonna make sure that it's all mixed and mingled together. I pre-sauteed some shrimp and chicken, and so I'm adding that to the pan, and I'm gonna mix it up, all right? Mix it up. If you are vegan or vegetarian, you can always add tofu or just make it a vegetable stir fry. Doesn't the shrimp look good? Now for the sauce. We're going to add our low sodium soy sauce. Let's add some Chinese cooking wine. Now we want to stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Now let's add our oyster sauce. We want a little more in there, and let's mix that together. You see how it's all coming together? It looks juicy and delicious. And I don't know if you can tell by looking at this. I'll do a close-up. But the okra is not slimy. That's the great thing about using okra in a stir fry. It's not slimy. Now let's add our cornstarch. Now I did a slurry, so it's cornstarch and water, okay? We add that to thicken the sauce. So now you can see that the sauce is thickened and it's sticking to the vegetables, the shrimp, the chicken, and looking perfect. If you like this recipe and you find it helpful, don't forget to like this video and share it out. Last but not least, what is a stir fry without toasted sesame oil? So we're adding toasted sesame oil for that last bit of flavor. We want that extra flavor. We want to make sure that it tastes authentic. And there we go. You see it? Perfect. Perfect, perfect, perfect. The vegetables are green and bright, and they're crunchy, but not too crunchy. It's just perfect. It's plating time. All right, so we have our rice, and then we put that in the middle, and then we're gonna add our stir fry to the top of the rice. The sauce is perfectly thickened, and it's adhering or attaching to the vegetables and the shrimp and the chicken. And doesn't it look delicious? And we have our okra in there, and there is no slime, y'all. There is no slime. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you make your own stir fry, and next time try and add the okra. If you have okra at home, use your okra in a stir fry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care. Bye.